What's going on, guys? As you can see, I'll be working on my E36 M3 again today, and you can see it's lifted up a bit. I'm going to be working on installing the Xbrace. It's a part that used to come on on lightweight models as well as convertibles. It replaces a support bar that has actually been installed on this car, but it's rusted all the way through. So I hope all the holes line up, but knowing my luck, probably not. So this is the part I'm talking about, and hopefully the install goes smooth. I have all my hardware ready to go, and since this car is a 1999, the install should be pretty simple because I don't have to worry about nut certs or blind rivets, as some call them. Well, wish me luck. And that's the Xbrace install on the E36 M3. This really only applies to the newer E36 generation because the older ones, they did have holes, but they didn't have the actual nut certs where you would put the front bolts in. So that's, you know, another job you would have to do. But on this 99 M3, the nut certs were already in there, so I just used some M20 bolts to bolt it right up. And tomorrow I'll take this car for a spin and see what kind of difference it made. Anyway, if you found this video helpful and you find my other videos helpful, please be sure to subscribe. But aside from that, I'll see you next time.